In the heart of the wilderness, a veterinarian faces an unimaginable challenge to save a dying baby elephant's life. The rescue mission began days ago, when villagers discovered this young elephant suffering from a brutal attack. His body tells a horrific story. Dozens of iron pellets from an illegal gunshot embedded throughout his flesh and mouth. The team carefully sedates him, creating a safe window to work while minimizing the trauma he's already endured. Every measurement matters. The team gathers vital data that will guide the hours of delicate treatment ahead. Now begins the painstaking work of removing each iron fragment, one by one, from his wounded body. His leg is riddled with pellets lodged deep in the tissue, requiring careful extraction to avoid further damage. Each small fragment removed brings visible relief to the veterinarian. These tiny victories add up in the fight for survival. The team probes deeper, ensuring no hidden fragments remain that could cause infection in the days to come. They examine the cruel evidence, fragments from illegal hunting practices that continue to threaten these magnificent creatures across the region. The elephant slowly lowers himself to the ground, his cooperation a blessing that allows better access to his injuries. Another thorough cleaning of the leg wound. Infection is the silent killer they must prevent at all costs. His breathing remains steady throughout the procedure, a positive sign that gives the team hope amid this critical intervention. More cleaning solution bathes the wounds, the team's vigilance reflecting their understanding of the long recovery journey ahead. Standing with remarkable patience, he endures final treatments applied to multiple injuries scattered across his young body. Used gauze and medical waste are carefully collected, maintaining professional standards even in this remote wilderness setting. The team gently encourages him to lie down again. The most delicate and critical treatment still lies ahead. Necessary medication is carefully applied to each cleaned wound, beginning the healing process after the pellet removal. He shows discomfort, but remains cooperative as the team works to clear the infection threatening his young life. Now they turn to his face and mouth, where some of the most severe damage from the gunshot remains. Debris must be removed not just from the surface, but deep inside the mouth cavity where fragments are lodged. The veterinarian carefully checks inside his mouth, searching for iron pellets embedded in the soft tissue within. Without proper scanning equipment in the field, locating these hidden fragments becomes an incredibly difficult challenge. The vet discovers several fragments lodged deep in the mouth, but they're impossible to remove by hand alone. Surgery will be necessary to extract those deeply embedded fragments, another procedure this young elephant must endure. Medication is applied inside the mouth to help the wounds heal from within, fighting infection at its source. No one can truly imagine the suffering this baby elephant has endured in his short life.
Apa ya? Ada pose Manu. අර පැක් එකේ තිබ්බ එක ගෙනාවද සාලින්ද ඔයා? මට පොඩ්ඩක් දෙන්න.
මේ ඩිස්ප්ලේ එකද අනිත් එක ගහන්න. ඩබල් එකද අනිත් එක. මේ රේත් මාත්. ආ.
අපේ
hello. Yang lainnya.
After removing the pellets, healing spray is applied to each wound, beginning the long process of recovery. A closer look reveals the extent of his suffering, countless wounds across his body from days of agony. The vet notices something alarming. The elephant hasn't been able to pass stool, indicating a serious internal problem. His waist has hardened and is blocking his organs, creating a life-threatening condition that demands immediate action. Without hesitation, the veterinarian makes a critical decision. She must manually remove the blockage herself to save him. Each extraction improves his condition, relieving the dangerous pressure and restoring function to his compromised digestive system.
බෙල්ට් එක නැතුව මේ ගැට ගහගෙන අර කැනල් කොටවල් තියන්නේ. ආ ගන්න. ඒ ටික ඉලක්ක මත බලන්න.
After hours of intensive treatment, he's grown weak. Saline and medication will help him heal and regain strength. Rain begins to fall, making the already difficult treatment process even more challenging for the dedicated team. But the wildlife team pushes forward through the rain, their commitment unwavering in the face of harsh conditions. The main threat has been removed from his body. Future treatments will continue, but today hope has been restored.
අර අපේ හැම යලවන දෙකක් ගන්නද?